Now we've read this, all right, but sometimes you would want to get just the column names. Okay, I think there's a typo, I'll just correct it here. So get column names. Okay, there's the actual activity. So sometimes you want to get the column names, all right, instead of reading or displaying everything, all the information, you just want the column names. And so you can just say df dot columns like this. So once you do it, it will display the columns for you. All right. So that's how we display columns. All right. Now we can also get the index names. Of course, here these are numbers, but let's try it. We will later make another query when we change the index name. So I can say df dot index. All right. So this will give me this. Here it says range index. Right, because we are using numbers and these numbers were assigned by default. All right, we did not specify any column for the index, and so by default these numbers were generated. All right, so you will leave it as it is. Okay, we will later make some changes, so don't worry, just hang on, just follow my lead. All right, now if you have your data, if you have a data frame, then obviously one of the things that you would like to do is to get the number of entries. So you have rows, you have columns. All right, you want to get a number. All right, so you can just say df.shape. So this will give you a number. We have 6 by 7. Okay, so we even display them here. So we have model, we have evaluation metrics. Okay, we have 6 of them plus this, that is 7. So that is what has been given here as 7. Now the rows are the records. Okay, this one here, we have 6 of them. All right, so each is a record and there are 6 of them. So each row represents the performance of a model, a machine learning model. All right, so we have all of them here. That's it. Okay,